Hey guys, welcome to a new video. As you might know, I usually drive my BMW 5 Series, and today I'm gonna test this kind of beauty. It's the all-new BMW 7 Series, 750 series to be clear. I mean, this beauty got 530 horsepower and is really astonishing, and I'm really looking forward to drive this beauty and maybe change my current BMW 5 Series to this beauty. So it's all black as mentioned, 20-inch wheels, M Sport package, all black, really sporty, kind of aggressive, and a really powerful sound. We're gonna check this out later. And we have this all new double-sized grille in the front. Really astonishing. Let's have a look inside. Beautiful leather, Bang & Olufsen sound system, ambient lighting, soft close, digital infotainment, M Sport leather, and a lot of space in the back. I mean, that's huge. You have so much space for your legs, and you can easily adapt the seats to the front, to the back, if you have long distance rides. So really luxurious car. So welcome. Let's start the engines. Ooh. Then you have the sports mode. You can adapt the sports mode, comfort mode, kind of a balanced mode, and of course the Eco Pro, which is a more efficient driving. And then you got this. Isn't that nice? Really, really nice. I like this kind of style. We go further with the sound. It's a sport mode. It's really more kind of aggressive. Wow. 530 horsepower. 530 horsepower. I mean, that's really incredible. Let's check the sound in the comfort mode. It's a little bit wide. Yeah, it's a softer tune. Sports mode. Let's check this out. Yeah, really aggressive. The back. Oh man, it's huge. So much space for the legs. I mean, if you're a person which is nearly 1.8 meters in height, this is really, really nice. So spacious. Look at this Bang & Olufsen style. Then you have the digital temperature settings, as well as the climate control And then really nice, there you got the settings for the seats. Let's check this out. Goes to the front and it goes to the back. Yeah, it's really nice. I mean, you can literally chill here within long distance rides. Look at the seats, man. You can really chill in this car. I mean, you can literally sleep in this car because there's so much space. I mean, honestly, the front looks more like a more luxurious 5 Series. It is really nearly the same, especially the infotainment, but there are some details that, yeah, compared to the BMW 5 Series and to the 7 Series, that brings a more luxurious style in this car, like the Bang & Olufsen sound system. It is the gesture settings for the infotainment, as well as the seats and all the leather. Let's check this out. But really, the sound is great. The sound is really great. Alright, let's take a ride. Sports mode. Let's check it out. It's a really soft driving, because compared to my BMW 5 Series, the BMW 5 Series, you really recognize any kind of disabilities of the street, and this is really a soft driving. And really powerful. I mean, that sound is really great. Check this out. The street. The short ride. Really direct. Oh. Man, this is power. This is sound. You really don't have the feeling that this is a luxurious big sedan. It's more like a sports car. It's like you're driving a coupe, and the sound, I mean, it uplifts you really fast. It's really fast, this car. Let's check out the parking system. It's also really nice. Check this out. We have several cameras. So we know how to park this huge beast. Yeah, it's really easy. It's really easy, because not only the front wheels gonna give you the direction, also the back wheels. They also adjust regarding if you are going to left or right. It's really nice. So let's sum up. I mean, we have a luxurious BMW 7 Series 50 with 530 horsepower, and I mean, it's incredible, definitely. The pricing of this car is 140,000 euro. All leather, all new. You have a lot of space in the back. Really nice sound. And the thing is this a better car than the BMW 5 Series? Really, drop me some comments. Yeah, is it really worth the money? Because a new BMW 5 Series with maybe 300 horsepower is about 85,000 euro. Also with leather, also with digital systems. I mean, you may haven't got so much space in the back, but honestly guys, I mean, it's really close to the 5 Series. You have the same settings, you have the same infotainment. You can also put all the camera systems in the BMW 5 Series. So it's nothing that is just available for the BMW 7 Series, as well as the Bowers and Wilkins sound system, also available in the BMW 5 Series. So we have maybe 7 or 80% more of the price compared to the BMW series. Drop me some comments if you like this video. Drop me some comments if this should be the new car for me, or if I should stay with the BMW 5 Series. And maybe you drop me some comments about your dream car. What is your dream car? Or what cars I should consider for myself to maybe drive for a test, to know exactly what kind of car is maybe the next. Thank you for watching this video, and let's take a last step around this car. And I mean, look at this grille, it's really astonishing. So see you guys in the next video. Have a nice day.